Good morning, students. Now we are going to see the lesson Unit 1, Part 4. So last class we discussed about redox reactions. Isn't it? Redox means what? Reduction as well as oxidation. So we are calculating redox reactions in terms of oxidation number now. So what is meant by oxidation number? Already we told during redox reaction the oxidation number of elements increases is called oxidation, isn't it? So oxidation we have three definition: addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen, as well as the loss of electron. One more term is also when the oxidation number is increases, this is also considered to be a oxidation. During oxidation reaction, when the oxidation number, suppose Fe2 plus will become Fe3 plus. Here the oxidation number is increased, no? It is a 2 plus, here 3 plus. This is also considered to be a oxidation reaction. So whenever the oxidation number of element is increases, oxidation is also increases. And reaction which decreases the oxidation number, it is also called reduction reaction. We can see one example. So 2KMnO4, potassium permanganate, ferrous sulfate treated with the sulfuric acid, it gives potassium sulfate, magnesium, that is manganese sulfate, iron sulfate, as well as water. Here the manganese oxidation number is +7 here, and in the right side of the periodic table it will become it is Fe2, here manganese M1, here +2. So what happened here? The oxidation number decreases. See here in this, here 7, here +2. So here what happened? Oxidation number is decreased. So reduction is taking place. So this is considered to be a reduction. At the same time, see here Fe, iron. So ferrous sulfate +2 oxidation. But what about here Fe2 plus, here +3 oxidation. What happened here? It is oxidation number is increased. So oxidation number increases, it considered to be a oxidation. At the same time, here oxidation number is decreases, that is considered to be a reduction reaction in terms of. So the redox reaction in terms of oxidation number. And now we are going to see types of redox reaction by using the oxidation numbers. Oxidation number increases means oxidation, and oxidation number decreases means it is reduction. So we are going to see different type of redox reaction. Combination. First one is what? Combination reaction. Already we know combination is to form single compound. Actually the combination of two or more compounds combined, it is what? Combination reaction. So in this, carbon will be treated with oxygen. So two or more compounds combine to form compound, single compound. This is known as combination. So carbon as well as oxygen. Here what? Carbon is a 0 oxidation number. At the same time, if you are seeing here, this is +4 oxidation number. What happened here? Oxidation number is increased. So oxidation number increases means that is said to be oxidation. What about here? This is also 0. And what about here? This is -2 oxidation number. Here oxidation number decreases. This is reduction reaction. This is combination reaction. Second reaction is decomposition reaction. So decomposition reaction is what actually in which compound breaks down. So it is breaks down into two more compounds. It is called decomposition. So it is a combination. Addition of reaction is combination. It is decomposes. It is decomposition reaction, breaking down into two more compounds. These reactions are opposite to combination. Is it right? This is addition. This is splitting of compound. So 2KClO3. This is what actually a potassium chloride compound, when it is heated, becomes KCl as well as 3O2 compound. So here we are going to see the -2 oxidation number for oxygen. At the same time, here 0 oxidation number. So here increasing oxidation number, -2, 0. So this is oxidation. So increasing oxidation number. And what about here? This is chlorine. Actually here actually +5 oxidation number. At the same time, if you are seeing here, this is